I got scammed. 5 top scams to watch out for in the USA. Hey travelers, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone planning a trip to the USA. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie, scams can catch you off guard. Trust me, I've been there. So let's get into the top 5 scams you need to watch out for when you're exploring the USA. Fake taxi scams. First up, we have the fake taxi scam. After a long flight, you just want to get to your hotel, right? But beware of fake taxi drivers lurking around airports. They might offer you a ride or say they have a broken meter and then charge you an outrageous fare. To avoid this, always go to the official taxi stand or use ride-sharing apps like Uber or Lyft. Check the driver's information before getting in. Tip: use official taxi stands and ride-sharing apps. Next, the fake tickets scam. Imagine arriving at a famous attraction like the Statue of Liberty, only to find out your tickets are fake. Avoid buying tickets from street vendors. Always purchase them from official websites or authorized sellers. It might be a bit more expensive, but it guarantees you won't be turned away. Tip: buy tickets from official sources. Number 3 on our list is the hotel scam. Scammers might call your room pretending to be from the front desk, asking for your credit card details. If this happens, hang up and call the front desk yourself. Never give your information over the phone unless you're 100% sure who you're talking to. Tip: verify calls by contacting the front desk directly. Street performers and pickpockets. While you're watching an amazing performance, pickpockets might be eyeing your belongings. Always keep your valuables secure and be aware of your surroundings. A money belt or a crossbody bag can help keep your belongings safe. Tip: keep your valuables secure and stay aware. Last but not least, the timeshare scam. You might be offered a free vacation or gift in exchange for attending a timeshare presentation. These can be high-pressure sales tactics designed to get you to sign up for something you don't want. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Politely decline and walk away if you're not interested. Tip: be cautious of high-pressure sales tactics. There you have it, folks. The top 5 scams to watch out for when traveling in the USA. Have you ever encountered any of these? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone! Remember, travel is about making memories, not losing money. See you in the next video.